Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. In this video, we provide 40 questions. Each question have 10 seconds. Every correct answer have 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We truly appreciate your support. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with easy level. Hey, welcome back. Nobody can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Hey viewers, one letter is different. Come fast. Wow, that's 1. Come on, my quiz master, find the odd letter within given time. Time is up. Check your eyes, find the odd hand within given time. Wow, fantastic! Hey viewers, are you focus master? Find the odd number within time. Come fast, my respectable viewers. Time is up. Anybody can find the odd letter within 10 seconds. Wow, that's great! Ladies and gentlemen, test your math skills. Come fast. Hey genius, you solved this question? Where are my genius viewers? Come on, test your observation skills. Find the odd number within time. Boost your IQ level, find the odd letter within time. Wow, good job! Come on, emoji lovers, find the odd emoji within 10 seconds. Hey my respectable viewers, find the odd number within given time. Wow, fantastic! Come on my genius viewers, pick the odd number within time. Wow, excellent work! Come on viewers, start with medium level. Find the unique number within 10 seconds. Come on my respectable viewers. Where are my genius viewers? Come on, time is up. Puzzle Master, attention here. Find the odd letter within 10 seconds. Nobody can spot the odd one within time. Come fast, viewers, test your eagle eyes. Wow, that's one. Challenge your brain, find the odd number within time. Hey, are you genius? Find the odd letter within 10 seconds. You are very genius. Come on, my genius viewers, test your math skills within time. Wow, your IQ level is so fast. Test your visual skills, find the odd number within given time. Hey, are you ready? Come on, find the odd letter within time. Test your eagle eyes, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Wow, amazing! Hey viewers, are you smart? Find the odd letter within given time. Come on, my smart viewers, time is up. Emoji lovers, attention here. Find the odd emoji within given time. Wow! Wow, you are smart, eyes. Hey, my senior viewers, come on, find the odd letter within 10 seconds. Come on, genius, can you find the odd number within time? Come on, viewers, start with hard level. Hey, oddity spotting, find the odd number within time. Hey, come fast, find the odd letter within 10 seconds. Come on, genius, find the odd one cake within time. Amazing! Test your observation skills. Find the odd number within given time. viewers, come on, are you spotting expert? Come on, find the odd one within 10 seconds. Come fast, time is up. Only genius can spot the odd letter within given time. Yes, you are very genius. Check your brain power, find the odd number within time. Yes, you are quiz master. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box.